guys, yeah, it's very rare that the spillway has to be open, but officials are expecting it will draw lots of spectators if it does have to open this weekend, and they're encouraging the public to keep their own safety in mind as they manage the safety on the river.
The safety of the public is our top priority. It is the key factor in our decision-making process.
The New Orleans Division of the Army Corps of Engineers is expecting to recommend opening the Bonnie Carey Spillway as early as Saturday. That's when the river is forecasted to reach 15 feet.
You have seen and heard about the extensive flooding, the damages, the loss of life that has occurred upriver, primarily in the states of Missouri and Illinois. It is a cause for concern.
So every day, boots will be on the ground inspecting the levees from St. Charles to Plaquemines Parish.
The things that we look for in levees are any potential cracking of the levees, levee slides, as I mentioned, seepage, but also we look on the riverside of the levee for any excess debris buildup, for any barges that are tied up too close or to the levee up on the Batch, or any ships that may be coming too close.
The spillway is designed to limit the river's flow past New Orleans to no more than 1.25 million cubic feet per second. That's about 9.4 million gallons.
We won't open the spillway before we need to responsibly, and we will pass the required water through to make sure that the flows past New Orleans don't exceed that 1.25 million.
Only 10 times has the spillway been opened to release floodwaters, including in 1997, 2008, and 2011 most recently.
On the day that Bonnie Carey Spillway does open, we do expect many visitors, perhaps over 1,000. We do ask that folks come out there with safety in mind if they want to come out and observe the opening of the spillway.
As the crest passes south, officials want to ensure it passes safely, with no loss of life and no damages. And Colonel Hansen says in the past they've had kayakers actually try to ride through the spillway when it's open, and jet skiers riding in the tail bay. And he says that they're going to have Levee District police officers out to monitor for unrestricted activity. Reporting by the river, I'm Casey Ferran, WDSU News.